Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Pipedrive for beginners. So after you sign up or log in, you will be directed here. You can either continue the setup or no. So let's go to the leads. Here we can see our leads inbox. You can start by adding your first lead here by clicking on this add new lead. Here you have live chat, chatbot, web forms, prospector, and an add-ons like web visitors. You can see your web visitors here. Next is the deals. Here you can overview your qualified, contact made, demo scheduled, proposal made, and negotiation started. You can add a deal by clicking on this button. Next one is the projects. Here you can see all of your project. Next is the campaigns. Here you can send an email marketing campaigns that gets clicks. Next is the sales inbox. Here you can see your sales inbox, your sales drafts, outbox, sales that you've sent, and archive. Next is the activities. Here you can overview all of your activities, and you can add an activity by clicking on this button. Next is the contacts. Here you can see all of your contacts. You can add a person here by clicking on this button. You can add an organization by clicking on this button. And here on contacts timeline, you can add a person by clicking on this button. Next is the insights. Here you can see all of your insight. Your dashboard like this one, leads created by user, leads conversation by sources, deal conversations, deal won over time, average value of own deal, deal durations, activities completed and planned, deals lost by reasons, deals progress, new people report, new organization report, product solds, and revenue forecast. Here you can see many reports and goals. Next is the products. Here you will see your products. You can view all of your products here. You can also add a product by clicking on this one. Next is the marketplace. Here you can add an app. You can search it by their app name, keyword, or describe what you need. And that's basically it.